Good morning, children. Today we will do sign convention and lens formula. No derivation required, so we will do. Now, in case of sign convention, the distance of object from the lens, distance of image, focal length, these all are taken with different sign. So therefore, when we are drawing a ray diagram, this ray diagram will be drawn on the basis of what? Cartesian system or coordinate system. Cartesian system or coordinate system. Now, say this is for image is forming here real image, and this is convex lens. This one is concave lens. Yes. Now, here everything we have drawn. This is object. AB is object. A dash, B dash is image. Now, what are the rule of taking the distances, or in case of coordinate system or the ray diagram of lens? Is it? Now, optical center is considered as the origin of the coordinate system. Optical center, that is O, is the what? Origin of the coordinate system. Coordinate system, what happened? We are having x and y axis we are taking. Where they are intersecting, that is, we are taking what? The origin. And this is x axis, x dash, and perpendicular axis is y dash. This way we are taking. This side we are taking negative towards x dash from O. This side we are taking right of this one, we are taking positive. Above this we are taking positive. Below y axis we are below origin along y axis we are taking negative. Again, from origin towards left we are taking negative, and from origin towards right along the x axis we are taking positive. Above origin along y axis we are taking positive. Below origin along y axis we are taking negative. So this way we are doing. Here also same thing will do. Here also same thing will do. Now, the first point is optical center is considered as what? The origin of the coordinate system. Now, second case, number 2. Object is considered the left side of the lens. Always taken left side of the lens along the principal axis. Along the principal axis. So, object is considered what? It is kept left side of the lens along the principal axis or on the principal axis. Now, number 3. All distances along principal axis. All distances means distance of image, distance of object, distance of image, focal length, all are measured from optical center, and it is along the principal axis. Now, number 4. the distances are taken along the direction of the incident ray. The distance is taken positive along the incident ray. Opposite to the direction of incident ray will be considered negative. Will be considered negative. Is it clear? Again, the length taken above the principal axis will be positive. Length taken below the principal axis is negative. So therefore, what we are getting, if we are taking distance in this way, just see my hand, from optical center towards object, so it will be what? Negative, because the direction of incident ray is opposite to the distance taken. Yes, here the distance of image will be taken from O to B dash in this direction. So this is along the direction of incident ray. Okay, along the direction of the ray or incident ray. So then it will be what? Positive. Distance of object, distance of image will be taken positive. Here in this case, OB, we are taking distance in this way, O to B. So this is opposite to the direction of incident ray. So therefore it will be negative. The distance of object is negative. Whereas in this case, distance of what? Distance of image. Okay, this is also opposite to the direction of the incident ray. So therefore here image distance also will be negative in the second case. Now here the height of the object, see, height of the object is taken above the principal axis. So it is measured, length of the object is measured positive. Here in this case real image is, it is below. So therefore it will be considered negative. Here both are above. So both will be taken positive. Okay. Now object distance. Okay. Next is, we are considering always second focal length. Okay. For convex lens, second focal length is OF2. So it will be taken what? Positive. This is second focal length is OF2, that is measured by what? Small f. The small f for convex lens will be taken positive. While for concave lens, it is opposite direction, OF2. So therefore here f will be what? Negative. Now this is object. So therefore OB is the object distance. So therefore object distance always it is denoted by U, and it will be taken what? Negative. In this case, this is distance of image OB dash. So therefore it is written as V. This will be positive. Now keep in mind, positive for if image is forming behind the lens, okay, and object is taken always in front of the lens. Yes, this is in front of the lens. In front of the lens all distances negative, behind the lens all distances are positive. Okay. In case of real image, distance of image is what? Positive. If it is virtual image, in this case also we are getting virtual image if object is placed in between focus and optical center, so then we are getting what? Virtual image, enlarged virtual image. Then in that case image distance for virtual image it will be negative. Now here focal length is negative. This is distance of object u, this will be negative, and this is OB. OB is distance of object, so that is V. V is always what? Positive. Okay? In front of the lens, all values are negative. Behind the lens, all values are positive. Okay? And above principal axis, it is what? Positive. Below principal axis, negative. Now, lens formula is for both lenses 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. No derivation needed, that much you have to know. For both lenses 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Is it? Now for this case we will put here minus U. For V it is plus V. For F it is what? Plus F. For this case, for second case, V will be what? Minus. U also will be minus. F also will be minus. Now next is linear magnification. Linear magnification. Linear magnification is the ratio of length of image by length of, length means height, you can say, height of image, okay, height of object. That is, it is denoted by small m, that is equal to I by O. I by O. Now, if both are, image is real, then what happened? When image is real, I am writing here, for real image O and I both are what? Positive. For real image, for real image, O is positive, I is what? Negative. So value of M will come negative. For virtual image, O is positive, I also is what? Positive. Both are erect. Real image is inverted. Yes. Now, another formula is linear magnification is equal to I by O, we know, that is also V by U. Distance of image by distance of object. Distance of image by distance of object. Again we can use plus minus sign convention. Okay.